Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing my wish list for the Nordstrom sale. So these are things that I'm planning on purchasing. I'm also going to talk about some tips if you're ordering online and what to expect if you have never done the sale before. We're going to get into all of that really quickly. If you're new here, would love to have you join. I share makeup, skincare, fashion for us mature ladies. If that's something that interests you, please consider clicking that button below, hitting that subscribe button. Also, make sure you click that notification bell too, because I do not want you to miss out on any of my future content. Make sure it's set to all or you will miss out on my content because, yeah, YouTube. Let's talk about the sale and what to expect and some tips and all that first. So, Nordstrom sale, I've always done it online. I've not gone to the store. I usually do it at home online. What I usually do is you can do a wish list too if you want to. Now you might, I don't know if you have access to seeing everything early unless you're a card holder. I'm not sure on that. If I'm wrong, please let me know because I have access to it. I think even when I'm not logged in, I feel like I do. But this is what I do. I make sure that the day of the sale, the morning, I will go into my computer when I'm open because everybody has different times. That's one thing I don't like about it, to be honest. I don't like how they have there's so many different levels now. It's just kind of whatever. But what I will do that morning is I will go and I will open up the page that those items are on, and I will get them all open. So then, and I try to do what I really want for sure and make sure I have that in my cart first. So I will kind of move over my little, my pages, do you know what I mean, on the computer. So I will make sure, so say it's like a pure, whatever jeans, I'll open that up. And then I'll open up another page, another browser. I have all these different browsers open with all of my stuff. So then I can go through and just add to it, add to my cart, add to my cart, add to my cart. So that way I'm not looking, trying to find it, because you're going to have so many people online trying to get those same things too. So it's just easier if you just have your browser open with that item and so on and so on. So that's how I do it. Doesn't always work. We'll talk more about that in a little bit, but that's what I do is get all that in there. When you're ordering from the sale, especially this year, I don't know how it's going to be. I feel like it might be extra crazy. So you might, number one, think you have stuff in your cart and then find out that it got sold out. Even though it looks like everything went through, it might actually get sold out before. It's happened to me. It happened to me last year. Don't panic because things will come back in stock. People will return, which they take returns, okay? So things will come back in stock. You just kind of have to keep checking. So don't be disappointed. It might take a week. It might take, you're just going to have to keep checking. But try to have all those pages open so you can hurry up, do it, and check out as quickly as you can and get what you want. And then if there's still some things that you're kind of not sure about, then you can go back and see if you can get those. But just make sure that you get the things you really want to get. Make sure you get those in your cart, pay for them right away. Expect delays, expect for it to be slow. Nordstrom does have a Facebook. If you go onto their Facebook, you can do a live chat with them, you can message them. So if something happened with your order, whatever, they are really good about responding. You do have to remember though, it's a sale, so just give them a little bit of time. Try not to be upset. It happens every single year. Every time I order, and it's not just Nordstrom. It isn't. I mean, Black Friday, if you order, anytime a company has a sale, it's always crazy. It just is always crazy. I just feel like these companies never know how to handle it. So you can't just blame Nordstrom for it. It happens with other companies as well. So just know that going in, that's how it's going to be. Unless you're going to go to the store itself, which I'm not. I don't have a store close to me, and I don't know that I would feel comfortable going out right now. So at home is the best. Another thing I will tell you is if you're not sure what size you're going to be, whether it's shoes or whatever, you're like, oh, I might wear this size, but then for me, I'm between a 9.5 and a 10 in shoes. So if it's a shoe I really want, I'll order the 9.5 and the 10. because remember that Nordstrom will take returns. So I will order a couple different sizes on different things if I'm not sure. I did that last year. I did my try-on haul and there was stuff that I was like, I couldn't even get into, or it was too big on me. So always try to remember to, if you're like not sure, then I would say get 2 sizes. If you're not sure, you know, what shoe size or jean size or whatever, because jeans are different too. Jeans, you could always wear one size, but depending on the style of jeans, it could be different. So just wanted to share those little tips on what I've learned over the years with the sale. So let's talk about some things that I have on my wish list. I am actually looking for some tank shirts because I live in Florida. This is the ALL-AUG Elevate Rib Tank shirt. It has a crisscross in the back. Really, really cute. Love the style. It's on sale for $39.90 and after the sale it's $68. Really cute. Would be cute with a jacket put over it if it's kind of chilly. It would be really, really cute with that. And I love the color glass blue. That is my color. I love that color. You guys have anytime I wear blue or turquoise, you guys are all over it. And I agree. It's like, it is just my color. So really, really love that. Hoping to get that. These I really, really like, and I hope that I can get them. They're cute distressed jeans. They're from Articles of Society, and I feel like I might have an Articles of Society distressed pair of jeans. I don't know, and I'm feeling like those ones are a little too distressed, so I need a new pair. Articles of Society jeans, normally $64, on sale for $48.90. Really, really good. I've been looking for some more flip-flops to wear, and I saw these, so these are definitely going to be a must. I just don't know which ones to get. I put 2 of them in my bag. They're both from, I'm going to say this wrong, it's in Hawaiian. I think it's ALL-AUG. I put one in my wish list, that's the black stripe fabric, and the other one is a bright white. They are both on sale for the same price, normally $70, on sale for $46.90. So I have to decide which ones. I don't need both. I'm just trying to decide. I'm probably going to go with the bright whites, but we will see. And this is something that is so pretty. It's the Nordstrom Platinum Cubic Zirconia necklace. Normally is $55. That's on sale for $32.90. It's very similar to my earrings. Let me see these earrings. So these are on sale again. I mentioned this in my last video. It's on deals. I think these are normally $100 and I think they're on sale for $42 or something like that. I know I put it in there. I have worn these so much since I purchased them several years ago. I wear them with jeans. Like today, I have a t-shirt. I have jean shorts on. So I wear them today. I will wear them dressed up. They're really pretty and they look real. They look like real diamonds and they're not. So beautiful. If you wear these, people aren't going to think that you're wearing some cheap ass Coney, you know what I mean? It doesn't look like that. It looks real. This necklace looks like it would be really beautiful too, so that's why I'm thinking about getting it. It's a really good price. Now I looked at some sunglasses. I'm on the fence on some, so I'm going to share those. So the Fendi dark Javiana brown, I just really like the style of those. I love the little Fendis all around it. Normally $430, on sale for $287.90, so I'm thinking about that. The other ones are from Prada. They're normally $272, on sale for $181.90. I'm torn on both of those, but I just like different glasses. I usually get a really nice pair of sunglasses, and I take really good care of my sunglasses, and they last me, and I wear the hell out of them. I wear them anytime I'm outside. I wear sunglasses, whether it's cloudy or sunny. I wear sunglasses, and it's just nice to have options. So I don't know which ones I'm going to pick. So I'm on the fence about this purse. It's really, really cute. It's very different looking. And so I'm kind of on the fence about it, but I'm not sure. So it's from Coach. The color is mustard. Isn't that cute? I love the design of this one. So it's got that little top handle. It's got the straps so you can wear crossbody. I love how it unzips. Just really different. And I don't like to wear really big bags all the time. It depends on what I'm doing. Normally, I just like to wear something really tiny. So I just like that looks like it would be perfect for a phone and, you know, lipstick or whatever, keys. Like it would be perfect. So cute. Normally $3.50 on sale for $199.90, but I really, really like it. It comes in black too, but I kind of like that color. I just think that's a really pretty color. The only thing that I worry about with it is I live in Florida. And when you live here, you have to be really careful with the shoes you get and leather bags, because when it rains, girl, it's a monsoon, especially in the summertime. Wintertime, you have to be careful too. We don't get as much rain, but girl, when it rains, you just need to be prepared. Okay, you need to be prepared. So thinking about that one. We didn't total this out yet. Okay. So my other wish list, on my wish list, is the Beauty Blender. I always make sure I pick them up. Last year I picked up 2, and guess what? I'm just using the second one. So I take really good care of my Beauty Blenders, and they last me. So I don't replace mine every 30 days. I don't. So that's that on that. I would love to hear some of your things. You don't have to put everything, because if you're like me, it'll be a long list. So tell me 5 things that you're hoping to get at this sale. I will let you guys know what I ordered and what I think of everything when it comes in. I just gotta figure some things out. So that's kind of how I do it. I kind of do like a wish list, and then I might like really think about stuff, take things off, and just like, this is my budget. This is what I'm going to get. And then kind of go from there, because I'm on a budget too. Okay. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Would really appreciate if you would share it. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Twitter. I'll put all the details below. I'll put details below with everything that I'm wearing on my face today. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much. I will catch you all in my next video. Bye. Oh my gosh. If you saw the back of my hair right now, it's kind of crazy. The back of my hair, we're not going to look at. Okay, Mom needs a drink. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really hope that you and my head's cut off. I shouldn't have been set up like that. Look, my head's cut off. My God. Okay. I sound like Edna.
You are Elastigirl! My God!